Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is You are my puppy love. You are my puppy love. तुम मेरा बचपन का प्यार हो. Puppy love कहते हैं बचपन का प्यार. Second, he is poisoning my ears. He is poisoning my ears. वो मेरे कान भर रहा है. 3. You are getting on my nerves. You are getting on my nerves. तुम मेरे नाक में दम कर रहे हो, यानी बस बेचैन किसी को कर देना, तंग कर देना. तो आप ये जुमला बोलते हैं तुमने मेरे नाक में दम कर दिया है. You are getting on my nerves. 4. You are reduced to a skeleton. You are reduced to a skeleton. तुम सूख कर कांटा हो गए हो. 5. She has spoken out my mind. She has spoken out my mind. उसने मेरे मुंह की बात कर दी, यानी अभी जो बात करने ही वाला था तो अगले ने वही बात कर दी, तो हम उसको कहते हैं कि आपने तो मेरे मुंह की बात कर दी. 6. I'll move heaven and earth. I'll move heaven and earth. मैं ज़मीन आसमान एक कर दूंगा. 7. I heaved a sigh of relief. I heaved a sigh of relief. मैंने चैन की सांस ली, यानी सुकून की सांस ली. 8. Don't pour cold water on my enthusiasm. Don't pour cold water on my enthusiasm. मेरे जोश ठंडा मत करो. 9. I'll pulverize your arrogance. I'll pulverize your arrogance. मैं तुम्हारी हेकड़ी निकाल दूंगा. The last one is 10. Comb your curly hair. Comb your curly hair. अपने घुंघराले बाल कंघी करो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए description में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp group join करें. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.